Alright, hey guys. So Craig just dared us to try to survive out in the woods for 3 whole days. And he doesn't think that we can do it, but I believe in ourselves.
We got all the stuff we need. We got food, we got water, clothing.
Yep. We know our way around this place. We've been here like 3 or 4 times.
We even got a black man.
Here we go. Night 1.
Let's go.
Here.
Alright, we're still on night 1. We're just heading up to the place that we're going to camp at. Up this trail.
Are you sure I'm doing
No, we totally should, dude.
Yeah,
Like,
dude.
we got
dark.
We got
So what, man?
No crap, it's going to get dark. We're out in the woods. Come on, you scared? You scared?
What are you gonna do about
What, are you scared?
You gonna chicken?
Oh, boo.
I got
You want to turn back around or something?
no.
You want to be a little punk?
Oh my gosh, is that a bear?
Wow.
Come on, dude. Don't be such a wuss.
Yeah, no. Hey,
I just got that feeling though.
You guys want to hear something funny? We got a joke. We got a joke. 1, 2, 3.
You can't even
If I do it,
That's some good crap, Brian.
Yeah.
Dude.
We're gonna win.
Getting pumped.
Forget Craig.
Get pumped. Dude, I just realized.
They can't tell me.
Maybe we should have brought a tent. We don't need it. We're man.
Dude, we can make our own stuff. We got knives. We got all this wood, leaves. We're man.
Don't worry, we have D'Artagnan to make us a tent.
Yeah, I ain't slave.
Yeah,
In case you scared.
and if it really comes down to it, we can just skin D'Artagnan and use him as a tent.
You guys hear that?
I think it was your mom.
Man, that's kind of weird.
Well, it's probably like your brother or something.
Oh, yeah. Well, he's not ready yet, so we're not straight.
Here we are. Here's our home for the next 3 days.
Good old Zero.
Beauty, look at this section.
Oh yeah. Outdoors, no tents. Hey, if it really comes down to it, I guess we can sleep in those nasty outhouses. Hey, look.
Oh yeah.
Look, there's a lot of wood here.
Yeah.
First night with no parents, no one around.
It's gonna be awesome.
That's not our house. Just swag.
Yeah, all swag.
Yeah, we even got a fire up here. Come on, we're living in luxury.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be great.
He's missing.
We need some rocks, dude. Yeah, we're gonna make a fire, set up camp.
So you use rocks to set up a fire? No, like
You don't have a
flint and
lighter.
steel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spark it.
I got no lighters.
No, I brought a lighter.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well,
I'll get-
why'd you tell us?
I'll get the fire started. You guys go over there.
No answer.
You do know you can't make sparks with 2 rocks.
No, you need flint.
Come on, Brian. We're out here for like. We can do whatever we want out here.
You use flint. You never asked a black guy how to camp.
You need flats.
You need us. Yeah, your dad apparently.
Hey, that's why we're a bunch of white people, so I'm safe.
Swag. Oh, dude, check it out. We even got water.
Oh, really? Oh, that thing's like old. Hey. Oh,
Set.
Yeah, we got water and
Now
everything.
we're really living in luxury.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Luxury for outside.
This is gonna be great.
Peace, y'all.
Hey. Somebody lock him in there.
Just got to the women's bathroom. Hey,
I can't do it.
just got to the women's bathroom.
Oh, so forward. Oh, I can't do it.
Oh my God.
Okay, I gotta take it up.
You just said
The
that.
bathroom, go.
I'm recording, D'Artagnan. it to like right here. You didn't throw it all the way out to here. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's horrible.
Oh, dude, I'm like pooped out right now.
Well, that's because you went and took a poo.
Oh man,
Seriously?
I can still smell that thing. It's gross.
Shouldn't we be out here, dude? I'm
Dude, stop being such a chicken.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, shouldn't we at least start fire?
No. No.
Yeah, before we start a fire, let's go look around.
Oh.
We haven't even seen what's here.
Oh, that just
Come on,
Alright.
guys.
I just farted again.
Alright.
We may want to get out of here anyway.
We can go
Why?
on an adventure.
Easy farted.
Oh, you straight.
Yeah, sure.
It's adventure time.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh yeah, still night one.
Woo!
We decided
This is
to go
awesome.
a little bit more on the wild side. We're exploring.
Exactly.
Leaving
Yeah.
our camp. We're just following this trail down, see what's at the end over here. Craig doesn't know what he's missing out on.
Oh,
Dude, fun stuff.
Great.
I know. Seriously.
Dude, you were pumped.
Oh yeah.
This is awesome.
I wanna do something stupid, man. I'm bored.
Hey, let's skip!
Yep, that's not.
Oh my god.
Let's skip. Yeah, skipping's for
Let's
men.
shank each other.
Thank you.
We're gonna figure out what's down here. I'm gonna go scout ahead.
There is 5 guys over here.
I'll tell you guys if there's anything cool.
Don't leave us,
I will
man.
catch up with you.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Alright, don't leave us back here. Come on, Liam, seriously.
Are you serious? We're just going for a nighttime jog. Oh yeah.
What is this? You're such retards.
Hey. Oh yeah, check this out. This is sweet. Oh my god. Dude, this is cool. Oh, I'm going over there.
Camera can't see anything, guys. I don't know what. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Okay.
Dude, record this.
I am.
I got this.
Can't see much.
Who dares me to do it?
I do.
I got this.
I dare you.
Swag.
Don't take it, dude.
Oh!
That was sick. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, you know, light in the eye.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's better.
That's cool.
Oh!
Wait. Here we go.
The Daniel's gonna actually try something?
Woo! Oh, get the phone, dude. Get the phone.
I want that.
Alright, guys. Ready for this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah. You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2.
What was that? Oh crap, dude,
What?
run!
Oh my god.
Run!
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa,
Go.
whoa, whoa. Whoa, where are we going?
I think I saw a bear, run!
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
That's it. Get over here.
Dude, what's this?
did you see? Dude, I think we got away.
Dude, if you would have took my route, we would have never got out here.
Dude, screw you.
What?
At least we got away from it.
Dude, we could have took my route and went back home.
We can still get back home.
No, we can't. We lost now.
We'll be fine.
No, we would not, dude. What the hell?
We'll be fine.
No, we won't.
Guys, get out. Dude, don't. Dude.
Get off, bring it, bring it. Guess we might as well just split up.
You want to?
Whoever's
Want
with me,
to?
come with me.
Oh,
Everybody wants to
Who
go with
agree with me? Who agree with me?
Let's
go.
I'm Liam.
We're going this way. With Liam.
Oh, stupid.
I hope you die.
I hope you die.
fight. I
I
told
know.
you guys we'd find something good. Look at all this wood. We can make shelter. We'll be fine. We could probably survive weeks.
Screwed on Daniel and Dustin. This is
We
awesome.
got enough food.
Holy
for
crap. Oh yeah, we got tons of food.
We got enough food for at least like another 2 or so days.
Can't wait to see their look on their faces when we get back.
I know. Dude, I just hope that they survive, you know?
Yeah.
You know, I hope they die out here.
They're pretty wussies.
They deserve to die out here.
Wow, Lord, this thing is big. It's kind of like, kind of looks like,
Dude, look at this.
kind of looks like something would like kind of build it maybe.
Like someone's already been here. We could build this. We could just like rebuild this like in like a cabin or something.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Oh, dude, check it out. Look, whoever was here last left some resources for us.
Well, that's kind of a little weird.
Nah. Someone probably just like left this stuff. It's all crap anyway. This thing's broken. It's wrapped in duct tape.
What's your take on this,
See
Brian?
what they got in here.
I don't know. That's a lot of wood.
Guess it'll do.
I think it's like humongous.
I got my trusty Bethy here.
That's what you named it, Bethy.
Yeah.
Swag.
I wonder what they're doing out there. Like, I wonder like what they're using for shelter.
I don't know. Hopefully dying.
That doesn't be mean. They're just, I don't know. I don't know what they were doing. Oh. So, day 2, and we found shelter, somewhat, and Brian and Liam are asleep somewhere over on the other side, and I just woke up and I really gotta go to the bathroom, so. And left his jacket lying around. Well, I guess when you're lost, you can do those things. So you're, do you ever get the feeling that you're like being watched? It's really weird to like hear that. Don't you always feel like you're being watched? Liam! What are you wearing?
I thought it'd be good for hunting.
It's orange.
Yeah, man. This way, if anyone sees us, we'll be rescued, you know? Because orange sticks out.
I guess.
Yeah.
You scared me. Seriously, don't do that.
Is Brian still sleeping?
I think.
Alright, man. Night 3, baby. We're surviving.
We're kind of lost.
Survive lectures. Yeah, we're lost, but at least we got this place. It's
Yeah.
pretty nice.
Let's really go. Where's Brian?
Yeah, we're getting really hungry. Let's go get some food. Brian, what are you doing?
Brian.
Dude, that's the last of the food. Are you serious?
Dude.
Get over here right now. Get over here.
Ate Brian. Whoa.
Oh, crap, Brian.
Brian.
Oh, dude.
Dude.
Brian.
Crap.
Dude, I think he's dead.
Dude, that's not cool.
Dude, he ate all the food. Dude. We gotta eat him.
No!
Yeah, it's our only choice. What else are we gonna do? If not, we're gonna die too.
Dude, no, that's wrong. I'm not doing that.
What are you gonna go look for Dustin and D'Artagnan and hope that they still have some food that they're willing to share us after that?
Before I eat Brian.
I'll eat him.
Don't.
You don't
That's
tell me what to
messed
do.
up. That's messed up.
Get out of my
Do
face.
that.
Get out of here. Get out of here. I'll kill you.
Liam, come on, man. I'm sorry. You're just trying to, you know. Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He did it. Liam, no. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Liam. Liam. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. He did it. Oh my god, he's still after me. I think I lost. I can't believe those guys had to be so stupid and take this bet. I mean, what are they even betting? I mean,
I don't know. We just, I don't know.
just
Do it just for
because?
fun. Yeah, just because it's fun, you know.
Yeah, but it's camping when we have a perfectly good trailer. I mean,
Sure, but you can't blame them neither because you was in on the bet
yeah,
too.
it seemed pretty fun at first, but
Yeah, now
they were kind of stupid because that noise could have been anything.
yeah, if they just would have followed us back to the campsite, we would never got lost. We would never got lost. Just listen for once.
They would have just stayed with us. I mean,
Yeah. Now we don't know where the heck we are. Things like, oh my god, it's so retarded.
well, hopefully we can find our way back, and hopefully that they can too. 'Cause
Yeah.
unless we miraculously find them, it ain't gonna happen.
Dude, no, it's stupid because they won't listen to us when we find them. So just forget about it.
Yeah.
We just got an argument about it, so don't even worry about them. They're stupid.
Alright. Well,
Hope they die out here for all I care.
yeah. Well, let's try to find our way back then.
Alright.
We found a way to camp where we should be good for a day or whatever. We have very little food or water left, so hopefully we can find our way back.
Yeah, that's where we stayed at. Like, it's no better else place than this, but we couldn't find where to stay.
It's good enough.
Yeah.
Hopefully
got-
they found a new place to stay too.
We have to find food quick, like, cause we have no food left, and it's like scary out here. We got bears out here, raccoons. It's not a safe place. We don't have no weapons at all. We have to get going. Like, let's go right now.
I remember all the good times we used to have. I just hope we all make our way out of this.
Yeah, no, it's just good times to go wakeboarding, kneeboarding,
Yeah.
tubing.
Well, let's see what little food we have left. I wonder where they are.
Yeah.
We should go help them. Go.
Oh my god. I mean, that stream sounds so close, man. How far could they been? We walked for 15 minutes now.
I want.
Dude, I hope they're okay.
Hope so. I hope they didn't like stab themselves or something.
I hope not. That'd be stupid.
I mean, it's probably Liam that messed up again.
I doubt it. Liam wouldn't do something like that.
Yeah, sure.
I'm serious. He wouldn't do it. There's no way he'd have the bus not to do that.
All right. Oh my god. Hey, look. This must have been where they were camping.
Yeah, things are pretty torn.
Yeah.
Let's come back here.
Let's go back there and just wonder. They've been back there.
Yeah, Liam's
dude.
back.
Look at that.
So we can close. Dude, look over here.
Casey! What happened, Dad?
Go! We gotta go!
What happened?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what's that?
Oh my god. Dude, what is that?
What's that?
Please, go!
My god.
Dude, so what happened?
Liam, we split up and we found that place and everything was going great and Brian ate all the food and Liam was acting really weird and he got pissed at Brian and we got in a fight. He said he wanted to eat Brian and we got in a fight. I said no and they pushed me off and I went off by myself and I came back to apologize and Brian was gone.
Oh my god.
And Brian fell over onto a rock, and I think Liam ate him. And then I saw Liam, and he came over and just cut my arm. And that's when he heard you guys, ran off, and you guys found me. Why are you still taping?
Dude, because if you make it back to camp, we have proof that who was doing this. Yeah. So we can get him gone. Right. This is not right. We gotta find him. We gotta find him.
Anyway, I gotta go pee, so.
Alright, go ahead.
Watch your back.
Alright, man. Did you hear him? Watch your back, man. Okay. Oh, you're back at Camp Zero. Oh, yeah. Take a break. Dude, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Did you hear that over there? Dustin?
Whoa! Whoa! Dustin!
What?
Dustin! Whoa!
Oh my god!
Liam!
No! Liam!
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 Liam, down!
No! Liam!
Liam!
No! 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 Oh crap! Oh! Liam, don't do this to me. Please don't. These boys. No!
I think awesome. It's been long, night 3. He ate Brian, he killed Dustin D'Artagnan, and I'm out here by myself, and he's looking and hunting for me. I don't know why he did this. Good night. Been out here for 4 days. Hunting. Just killed that there, you see? I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just doing what I need to do to survive. I'm not a murderer. Just doing what I gotta do to survive. Yeah. Just what I need to do to survive. The others, they had to die. They had to die in order to survive. Survival of the fittest. Ow, my hand. The blood doesn't taste too bad, really. It's actually kind of good. You just gotta get used to it. D'Artagnan and Casey are still out here somewhere. Too bad they didn't join me, or they could still be alive right now.